Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to remove age restriction on YouTube. So simply head over to YouTube, and from there you're going to be simply heading over to your account and then to settings. So here you'll be able to see that we have some options. So head over to general and make sure that the restricted mode is disabled. So you can see we have this restriction mode over here. We need to disable that to remove age restriction on YouTube. But if this don't work out, you can simply head back and head over to your Google account, and from there you're going to be simply heading over to your personal info, and you can see you have your birthday. So make sure that you are set to above 18 years old, and that's how you can simply remove age restriction on YouTube. So make sure you do that and it will solve your problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.